my channel. I hope you all are doing super duper fine, and today's video is all about Amazon haul. Yes, I am super duper excited to show what I have recently purchased from Amazon.com. All the product details I will be providing it in the description box below. Kindly check it out, guys, and let's start this video. So camera rolling and action. I know, guys, you are not able to see what is happening in front of me. There are huge parcel that is already scattered here and there. I'm just getting crazy right now, so I think I'll just open this big parcel that I have received. So let's open this. Since a long time I was just thinking to order the skincare products and few basic necessary things that I regularly use, and it's just a huge parcel, and it's very difficult to open, guys. Well, the first thing which I have with me is the Vaseline body lotion, and I think this is one of the bestest and the legendary body lotion that we have in the Indian market, because I think this is one of the most popular and the most famous body lotion. And this is Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow Body Lotion, and I am really freaking obsessed with this body lotion because this works absolutely amazing on my skin, and yes, I just love it, guys. Well, this is 400 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 375. Well, I have got some deals from Amazon, and this was priced at rupees 224, so it's absolutely a great discount. Well, I'm going to open the next parcel. I don't know what I have received inside it. I just freaking love them. This is the Wow Skin Science Japanese Cherry Blossom foaming body wash, shea butter and vitamin E. So I was just very eager to try out one of the product from Wow, so I ordered this body wash. I don't know how it will turn out to be, but I'm really eager to know. So definitely I'm going to use it and will give you the honest review, guys. So the quantity is 250 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 339 rupees. Now I'm going to tell you the deal that I have got, and this was 265 rupees. So I have got a discount and the price came out to be 265. So it was just amazing deal. The next thing that I have with me is the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash for all skin type. Those of you are following me since a long time, they have already got to know that I am a big fan of Biotic brand, and they make some amazing products, some amazing organic and herbal products, which exactly works great for dry skin and for all skin types. So I am freaking obsessed with this product. Without this face wash, I just don't get out of my house. So this time I have ordered a bigger size. Well, the quantity is 200 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 375, and the discount that I have got from Amazon is 300 rupees. So yes, it was freakingly good. So I pretty love this brand. Next, I'm going to open this small Chotusa package for you guys, and let me see what I have got inside. And you can already understand how much of force and how much of effort I'm just giving to open this packaging. My goodness, it's so hard. Another favorite product in my hand, and this is the Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer for all skin type. Those of you who have already used this product, they already know the positive side of this product, because I just fell in love after using this, and still now I'm using this only. I haven't shifted to any moisturizer as such. This is my everyday go-to moisturizer. So those of you who haven't yet checked out my review for this, the link will be provided in the description box below, and you can also click the I button here. I have already reviewed this product, so you can go and check it out. This is 190 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 280. Yes, and the deal that I have got for this is rupees 196. Now it's time to open the most heavy package that I have received. My favorite wet tissues. I have used many wet tissues from enormous brands, but this brand, Chico Wet Vibes, they took my heart away because it is absolutely soft on your skin. They are not at all harsh on your skin. They'll take out the dirt and the gunk on your face. It's just so good. Well, the plus point is that it is absolutely sulfate free, paraben free and cruelty free. So great thing. This was a combo offer, so I just grabbed it like this. It was a combo offer and this was priced at rupees 438 and I have got for 370. There are 72 usable wipes in it, so I think the quantity is pretty good, plus the packaging is super good, guys, because you are not going to waste your products, so that is the good part of it. Next packaging is also a small packaging. I think I have received my sponges, my beauty blender in it, so I really wanted a beauty blender because both of my beauty blender are really not workable now. I have got two of the cute beauty blenders and I think they will be really good quality because they are pretty soft, and when I'll just blend my foundation with it, I hope it works great. They are priced at rupees 99 each. Next, I have received this parcel. These are the Prima Donna 100 cotton pads and this is priced at rupees 99 each, and I think this is also super affordable and the quality of the cotton pads are really great. So there are two panel of cotton pads and each consists, I think, 100 cotton pads in it and 99 rupees for each of the panel. So I think this is also a super deal, as well as the quality of the cotton pad is really good as per the Amazon review, and the deal that I have got is 175 rupees. So I think this is pretty good. This is the most necessary thing that I have in my hand, and this is the brush cleaner. This is the silicone brush cleaner. I did not have any silicone brush cleaner, so I was really having a problem in washing my brushes, makeup brushes, so I thought that I just need to purchase one of the silicone brush cleaner. So I think this will work great in order to wash my brush. So basically we just need to put in two of the fingers inside like this, hold it like this and just swirl your and circulate your brushes, makeup brushes, and you'll just get a clean and fine makeup brushes. Maybe I have my false eyelashes here. Guys, those of you really know me from a long time, they know that I really hated false lashes. They really irritated my eyes so much, so that's why I used to avoid false lashes. But now I don't know what happened to me suddenly. I am so obsessed with false lashes. In my every videos without false lashes, I just can't shoot any video. I don't know why. After all, this is human psychology and it just changes from time to time. So yes, two of the false lashes set, and I hope they will work great as fake lashes, and the quality will be not cheap but definitely good quality. So these are Electromania Natural Lashes Black 6 pairs. So both of this box have 6 pairs of eyelashes. I just wanted to touch these eyelashes. My god, they are super natural, guys. They are super natural. I just made a small space from inside and really wanted to touch the eyelashes, guys. They are so soft and just like your natural lashes. Amazing deal, guys, amazing deal. Actually both of them were priced at rupees 600 and the Amazon deal that I have got is rupees 289. I really can't wait to wear this, guys. Next, I'm going to open this parcel right here. I hope this one turn out to be my cutest fragrance from Miniso. So this is another bottle of good smell just in my hand, and this is the Miniso fragrance, and I freaking love using the Miniso perfumes. They are affordable as well as the smell are
so heavenly.
I have already done a Miniso haul, and those of you who haven't yet checked that video, just go quickly into my description box below. The link will be provided there, as well as you can click the I button here. I have already purchased one of the perfume from Miniso. It was priced at rupees 500. That was super affordable, but the smell was so heavenly. Like, It was so heavenly. Like I always prefer fragrance like fruity, fresh smell, and it was just exactly so. And I couldn't control myself and quickly grabbed this perfume from Miniso once again. So this is green, Danish green perfume, and the quantity is 50 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 460. Well, I just forgot to tell you the silicone brush cleaner price. Well, that was rupees 165. Just try out one perfume. I am sure you are going to fall in love with this perfume. They smell amazing, heavenly. Those of you love fresh foresty kind of, woody kind of smell, they'll just love it. So basically I am a sucker for fresh fruity smell and fresh morning smell and that woody kind of foresty smell. So yes, I think this will just turn out to be that one. Guys, just see the packaging. No, it's so luxurious. Like, it gives luxurious feel to it, plus the price is rupees only 460. Can you just imagine, guys?
And the main part, I just want to inhale the smell of it. Like, I'm just going to open this up. Guys, I've chosen the right perfume for me.
God, it's amazing, you guys. It's amazing, amazing. Just love it. This is the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. So this product is 125 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 225, and the Amazon discount that I have got is rupees 157. So I have got the small size of this bottle, and let me just try it out, and if I find it to be fruitful and useful, then definitely I'm going to try the bigger size one. So yes, I am done with my Amazon haul, but yet I haven't received one of the product from Amazon. I don't know why it's getting so much late. It's going to arrive around 16th October or 20th October. So this is the body spray, the Deo from Denver, and this is for my husband. So it's going to be late. So that's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this amazing Amazon haul, and if you really did, then please do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. And do give me some thumbs up because it just motivates me to create some amazing video for you guys. And yes, thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next videos. Guys, please stay tuned with my next video because those of you really love shoes, the next video is going to be super interesting for them because that is also a request video from you people, and your wish is my command, as I always say. And till then, just stay tuned with the next video, and please stay safe, be happy, and keep everyone happy. Bye.